The case of *** Health and Glow Retailing Private Limited. V. Dhiren Krishna Paul, trading as Health and Glow Clinic, 2007, 35, PTC 474, MAT, is a significant trademark dispute adjudicated by the High Court of Madras. Below is a concise summary of the case based on available information. Background: Plaintiff ** Health and Glow Retailing Private Limited, a private company incorporated in 1996, operating as a retail service provider in beauty and healthcare merchandise since 1997. It adopted the trademark and device, Health and Glow, stylized with a dancing doll inside the letter G, and secured registrations under the Trademarks Act for goods in classes 3 and 5, registration Nos. 802,306, 1315016, and 1,315,017. The company operated 43 retail outlets across cities like Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Mumbai, offering products like cosmetics, skincare, haircare, and pharmaceuticals, with a turnover rising from 7.25 crore rupees in 1998-99 to 52.83 crore rupees in 2005-06. Defendant * Dhiren Krishna Paul, trading as Health and Glow Clinic, operating a cosmetic homeopathy health clinic. The defendant applied for trademark registration of Health and Glow under Class 5 in 2005 and operated a website www.healthandglowclinic.com. The defendant's company, Dr. P. B's Health and Glow Clinic Private Limited, was incorporated on June 15, 2006. Plaintiffs claims Health and Glow Retailing Private Limited filed the suit in 2007, alleging 1. Trademark infringement **. The defendant's use of Health and Glow was identical or deceptively similar to the plaintiff's registered trademark, causing confusion among consumers. 2. Passing off **. The defendant's use of the name misrepresented their services as those of the plaintiff, leveraging the plaintiff's established reputation and goodwill. 3. Copyright infringement **. The defendant's use of the name in a similar style infringed the plaintiff's copyright in the artistic representation of the trademark. 4. Relief sought **. The plaintiff sought a permanent injunction to restrain the defendant from using the Health and Glow name or mark, including in domain names or marketing, delivery of infringing materials for destruction, an account of profits, and damages of 25 lakh rupees. Defendant's arguments: the defendant, represented by senior counsel Mr. T.R. Rajagopalan, argued, 1. Bona fide use *. Under Section 35 of the Trademarks Act, the defendant claimed the right to use the name Health and Glow as part of their registered company name, Dr. P. B's Health and Glow Clinic Private Limited, asserting it was a bona fide use of their business name. 2. Distinct services *. The defendant contended that their cosmetic homeopathy clinic services were distinct from the plaintiff's retail beauty and healthcare merchandise, reducing the likelihood of consumer confusion. 3. Corporate name *. The defendant's company was incorporated with Health and Glow in its name, which they argued provided legal protection for its use. Court's findings: the High Court of Madras, presided over by Justice V. Ramasubramanian, ruled in favor of the plaintiff. 1. Likelihood of confusion *. The court held that the defendant's use of Health and Glow was likely to deceive or confuse an ordinary person, as the marks were identical. The test for deception was based on the perspective of an unwary and ordinary person in the street. 2. Goodwill and reputation *. The plaintiff had established significant goodwill and reputation through extensive advertising and a growing business presence since 1997. The defendant's use of the same name could usurp this goodwill, harming the plaintiff's reputation. 3. Rejection of defendant's defense *. The court rejected the defendant's reliance on Section 35, stating that the provision does not permit the use of a name that infringes a registered trademark or causes confusion. The defendant's incorporation of a company with Health and Glow in its name in 2006, after the plaintiff's established use and registration, did not grant immunity from trademark infringement. 4. Injunction granted *. The court granted interim injunctions in original applications Nos. 310 and 311 of 2007, restraining the defendant from using the Health and Glow name or mark in any form, including signage, labels, or domain names, pending the suit's final disposal. Appeals: the defendant appealed the interim injunction orders, OSA Nos. 184 to 187 of 2007. In a subsequent judgment on January 4, 2012, the Madras High Court, Division Bench, upheld the interim injunctions, reinforcing the plaintiff's rights to the Health and Glow trademark and rejecting the defendant's applications to vacate the injunctions or reject the plaint. Key legal principles. Trademark protection asterisk. The case underscores that the registered proprietor of a trademark has exclusive rights to prevent others from using identical or deceptively similar marks, especially when consumer confusion is likely. Passing off asterisk. Copying a trade name can constitute a false representation, harming the goodwill of the original business. Section 35 limitations asterisk. The bona fide use of a business name under Section 35 does not extend to infringing registered trademarks or causing deception. Outcome. The court's rulings protected Health and Glow Retailing Private Limited S trademark and goodwill, restraining the defendant from using Health and Glow in their clinic operations, website, or promotional materials. The case highlights the importance of trademark registration and the judiciary's role in preventing unauthorized use that could confuse consumers or dilute brand reputation.